guys, today I am working with a cutie hair. I took out the hair, I washed the hair. This is kind of what it looks like. It goes from brown to blonde, and that's kind of what I'm working with. The box came with some goodies. This edge, this one, I don't know, that. Let's get started with the hair. So this is what it looks like. Let's see if I can turn this wig and make it look good, because the wig comes like this. Comes with this thing. There's a back hook, and then there is a middle part hook, and that's technically what I am working with. The good thing about this hair is I don't have a lot of lace to cut off, as you can see. It's just very tiny smidge lace. I'm gonna take water and then I'm going to spray it. So this is just comb it back. Comb it back. It goes straight back without any problems. So I'm just going to cut this. Where the lace ends is kind of where I cut. So it's a middle part wig, but you can put it as a side part according to how you decide you want the hair to look like. Because I have cut some hair at the front, I'm just going to comb through it. That's what we're working with, okay? So far so good. There's the hair.